Good day everyone, I am Kiara Christopher Agoto, and today's lesson I will going to discuss the assigned topic, which is the lymph nodes. When we say lymph node, it's the most numerously lymphatic organs, and lymph nodes serve two functions. It cleans the lymph and act as a site of T and B cell activation. It's elongated, vein-shaped structure with hilum. It enclosed with fibrous capsule with trabeculae that divided interior into compartments with the stroma of reticular fibers and reticular cells. Lymph nodes are small structures that work for foreign substances such as cancer cells and infections. Parenchyma is divided into two, which is the cortex and medulla. When we say cortex, it refers to the outermost layer of its structures, and medulla is the lowest part of the brain and the lowest portion of brainstem. Germinal centers where B cells multiply and differentiate into plasma cells. Several apparent lymphatic vessels lead into the node along its convex surface. Lymph leaves the node through 1 to 3 afferent lymphatic vessels that leave the hilum. There are 7 parts of lymph node. First is the cervical lymph nodes. When we say cervical lymph node, is deep and superficial group in the neck. It monitors lymph coming from head and neck. Second, the axillary lymph nodes is concentrated in armpit. It receives lymph from upper limb and female breast. Third is the thoracic lymph nodes. In thoracic cavity, especially embedded in mediastinum. It receives lymph from mediastinum, lungs, and airway. And the fourth part is the abdominal lymph nodes. It occurs in the posterior abdominal pelvic wall. It monitors lymph from the urinary and reproductive systems. Fifth is the intestinal and mesenteric lymph nodes. It found in the mesenteries adjacent to the appendix and intestines. It monitors lymph from the digestive tract. Sixth is the inguinal lymph nodes in the groin and receive lymph from the entire lower limb. And the last is the popliteal lymph nodes. It occurs in the back of the knee and receive lymph from the leg proper. There are two lymph nodes is under challenge by an antigen. First is the lymphadenitis. It's swollen, painful node responding to the foreign antigen. Second is the lymphadenopathy. It is the collective term for all the lymph node diseases. Lymph nodes and metastatic cancer. When we say metastasis, this is the cancerous cell breaks free from original tumor. It travels to the other sites in the body and establishes new tumors. Metastasizing cells easily enter lymphatic vessels. It tends to lodge in the first lymph node they encounter. It multiplies there and eventually destroy the node, swollen, firm, and usually painless. It tends to spread to the next node downstream. The treatment of breast cancer is lumpectomy and metastectomy along with removal of nearby axillary nodes. Metastatic cancer is the process by which cancer cells spread to distant locations in the body. The majority of death associated with cancer is due to the metastasis of the original tumor cells. Metastasizing cancer cells must secrete a mixture of digestive enzymes in order to degrade barriers. And that is the end of my assigned topic, which is the lymph nodes.